All right, today we're going to be taking a look at how to use our Canva crash course as a promotion tool for yourself and for the Buzz. All of this is found in your Buzz community classroom under the landing pad area and the Canva crash course. Okay, the main reason for sharing this Canva crash course with the Buzz community is for everyone to learn how to use Canva more and help you to make better content. It's a great graphics tool. It's economical. You can use it for free even. The tools are very powerful, and they have the free version, which works really well, and then the pro version adds more features, more export features, one of which we're going to use today, and a much larger graphics library for you to work with. And the best part of all, it's free, and you can use it as a giveaway to attract people to your storefront so that hopefully you can make more sales, and maybe you can get people to join the Buzz. And if they join the Buzz using your affiliate link, you get a reward. Okay, basically we're down at this step. First thing is accessing the course. It's offered as a template. So you just open here. And it says that I am sharing it with you. When you share it later, it'll have your name there. Please. And it opens right up inside my copy of Canva. Now, the first thing that I always recommend people do when they open up a template that they've got from somebody else is go over here to the File menu and do Make a Copy. And that makes it so that you are editing your own copy. If you change things here, it'll be saved in your projects file under your Canva. At this point, you might want to go in here and change the name of this to whatever you want. And then here we go. Here's the 3 things you have to do. If you notice on this page, there's a clickable link here. And you can edit this. You can change the words on it. And you can also, more importantly, paste your affiliate link in here. If you need help finding your Buzz affiliate link, there's another video here in the community that'll help you find it. You want to find that, and you want to copy that link and paste it into a text document, because we're going to need it in a few different places before we're done here. So you change that one, and then you scroll all the way through all of the content to the last 2 pages. Page 61 has the same thing. You want to go in here and change it and paste in your link here. Paste your link into that. And then the last page, page 62, same thing. Control A to select it, paste your link in. And that's really the only changes you have to make on this before you can use it as a promotional tool. And then what you want to do now is create a template. Same thing that I did to share with you. You want to create a template with your links in it to share with your customers in your freebie. So what you do here is you go to the share button. You're not going to just download it, or you're not going to just share your link directly from here. Because if you just share the link here, copy this link to share it, they would be able to go and make changes if they changed this Canva logo to blue, for instance. The next time you open the file on your machine, yours would be blue too, because they would have editing access. So you don't want to do that. You want to go over here and see where it says template link, and you see the little crown icon, that indicates that it's a Canva Pro feature, the paid version. So now anyone with the link can use this design as a template. They sign in and they can do whatever they want in their account. Now, if you do not have a Canva Pro account, you can get a free 30-day trial, and that should give you more than enough time, because it takes, a few minutes to do this, to generate your own template link with your own stuff in it, and then you should be good to go. So you say create link, there's the link, and you copy it. And I recommend pasting that into that text document where you put a copy of your affiliate link, because you're going to need that in the next step. The next step back in the Buzz Canva page is we're going to create a standalone PDF to use in your storefront. The way this usually works is you don't just give them that template link. Usually in any of the Stand Store, Linktree, Beacons, and others, they let you do a lead magnet, basically. So what you want to do is in there, you set up a digital product and you make it so that they have to put in their email address and their name so that they can get something as a freebie. It's a good way to build your list, your email list. And the idea, usually in those systems, you need to have a deliverable, something to give them. So in this case, we're going to create a simple one-page PDF that contains a link to the Canva crash course that you just edited and put your links into, that template, that link, and it's also another spot on the page that goes to your Buzz affiliate link again. So you're going to need both of those ready again for this part. Go here. Yes, please. And here we are in the single page. It's just one page. And this is what you're going to set up and convert to a PDF to deliver to your prospective clients. This is the freebie that you're going to give them. As always, the first step when we open someone else's template is to make a copy. In this case, you want to change the name of it to whatever you want here. And then away you can start your editing. So here again, we go in here to this Open Now button. And this is where you paste your template link that we just did in the earlier steps. And you paste it in there. And then similar to what we did before, you go down here and you paste your Control A and paste your Buzz Community affiliate link in there. And then we go up here and we do download this time, and we do it as a PDF standard. No other special options. And we say download. And you can see that it's downloading it, asking me where I want to put it. And it has now downloaded it to my local computer. And that's all there really is to it. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or any issues, just reach out to me in the community. Thanks.